Rep ranges are an excellent tool to use in your exercise programming to help you get true overload so you can gain strength and size. Now, how the overload works is through double progression. So double progression means you can either add more weight, add more reps, or both. Now with rep ranges, you'll see all kinds of things. So you can see like a 3 sets of 6 to 8, a 2 sets of 15 to 20, a 5 sets of 2 to 4. And basically how you do that is you'll do the number of sets. So basically here's an example I have right here. I have 3 sets of 10 to 12. Let's say the first week I do 100 pounds and I get 12, 12, 10. Now the goal with this is I'm going to do every set and I'm going to try and get to 12 reps. And when I get to 12 reps, I want it to be hard. It needs to be hard so you get most out of it. So I'm looking to have 1 to 2 reps left in the tank. If I had 3 or more reps left in the tank when I got to 12, I wouldn't count it as a work set. I would count as a warm-up set and add more weight and repeat. And so with this first week I go 12, 12, 10. So the first 2 sets of 12 are very hard. I had 1 to 2 left in the tank. And then the third set, I could only get to 10 with that same feeling like I could only do 1 to 2 reps left in the tank. And so then the next week, because I wasn't able to get all 3 toward that top number, I'll keep the same weight. So it's a way to progress. So next week, I keep the same weight, and I go 3 sets of 12. It's the same weight, but I did progress because I was able to do more total tonnage or volume. Because I was able to do that, and next week I go up to 105, 11, 10, 10. Next week, 12, 11, 10. Next week, 12, 12, 12. Because I was able to get that 12 again, I go up to 110 the next week. You'll notice on this one though, just like with the high end of the rep range, you've got to be honest with yourself on the low end of the rep range. So you'll notice, say 110, I did 10, 10. Now that last set of 10 was about either I felt like I could do 1 more left, or it was so hard that I don't think I could have done at least 10 reps. I want to make sure I get in that rep range. And if I'm not confident, I don't think I get in that rep range, then I'll drop weight. So I dropped weight, was able to get 12 reps at that 105. So make sure you're going for the rep range when you do it. I don't have an example on here, but for instance, say you felt really strong, or maybe after that 105, maybe I want to go up to 115. I do 115 for 10, and it was very hard, so then I dropped to 110, and I get 11. And so you can have a combination. It doesn't need to be necessarily straight weight the whole time, getting the progression. If I did like 100 pounds for 10 and then 90 for 2 sets of 11, and if I had like a, for instance, a 10 to 12 rep range, next week I do 100 pounds for 10 and then 90 for 2 sets of 12, that is still an increase. So just be smart with your rep ranges and let it be a powerful tool to help you get overload in your strength training exercises.